I'm Dennis Riley.
I'm Rhonda.
And we are Zen Windows St Louis. We have a process that is simple and hassle-free. Here's how it works. After an email or a short phone call, we will gather enough information to accurately give our clients a price quote via email in as fast as 5 minutes. In fact, not only is it accurate, it's a promise. We do not ask for a deposit, and our clients do not pay us anything until their windows are professionally installed by experts. While our process is designed to save time and money, it's not designed to be impersonal. We're always available to discuss your window project and for you to ask any questions that you might have. We want to serve you. When you choose Zen Windows, we will schedule a time to have your windows professionally measured before ordering. Our installation experts have over 30 years experience installing only windows and doors. Our windows are manufactured to our specifications by Softlight, and our Zen branded Nirvana windows are upgraded to include double strength glass, reinforced frames, and foam insulated frames. Our Lotus windows come standard with triple pane glass. Our windows meet Energy Star requirements and are AAMA Gold Label certified. This ensures that you receive an energy efficient window that will also protect against air and water infiltration. We have an excellent relationship with Softlight, and we are able to communicate directly with the department heads and customer service, which is important. We never have to wade through layers of bureaucracy or wholesalers just to get simple answers for our clients. If you have further questions or would like a price quote, feel free to contact us at any time at 314-399-0856 or dennis@zenwindows.com. You can also visit us at zenwindowsstl.com. Thank you, and we look forward to serving you or just answering your questions. Check out our online reviews on Google, Angie's List, Houzz, and Better Business Bureau.